If you're a live streamer and you use StreamYard, you know that one of the most requested features was the ability to upload our own royalty free music so that we can use it in our intros and outros and as background music during our live streams. Well, that day has finally come. My name is Eileen Smith, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your own royalty-free music and use it in your live streams. On the right-hand side, choose the brand tab of your StreamYard dashboard and scroll down past all the other options and you'll see music. I want you to pay attention to the fact that you can adjust the volume as well as set the music to loop or not loop. Now, when you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you see the plus sign. Drag and drop that file from your computer into your StreamYard dashboard. I recommend checking out a site called Creator Mix. That's from Nick and Dee Nimmin. They have some great royalty-free music that you can use in your live streams. Now you're all set to have background music on your StreamYard live streams. Thanks so much for watching. And if you're new to StreamYard, go ahead and use my referral link so that you can get a free trial and get access to all of the pro features during your trial. And that's eileen.link/StreamYard. It's your girl, Miss Eileen, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay beautiful.